Hello, boys and girls. Josh at Random is back with another book from Nancy Poydar. This is First Day, Hooray! It was almost fall, and all over town things were aflutter. Everyone was getting ready for tomorrow.
I can't wait.
Squealed Ivy Green as she wiggled in and out of shoes.
But what if Miss Wheeler doesn't wait? She won't have to wait.
Her mother said.
You'll be at the stop on time.
At the corner store, Ivy bought a lunchbox with stars.
What if someone forgets lunch? No one goes hungry.
Her mother said.
If someone forgets, you'll share.
Ivy bought raisins to share. At the brick building on the hill, Miss Wheeler went over her route.
Squirrel Hill, Rosemary Street, pick up Ivy Green. So many stops to learn.
Mr. Handy buffed the hall.
Desks to lug, paper towels to load, so much still to do.
Mr. Masters went over notes. Colored paper? Welcome signs? Will it all get done in time? Miss Bell hung alphabet letters, wrote name tags.
Henry? Eric? Yasemin? Ivy?
At her house, Ivy asked.
What if I can't find Miss Bell's room? Someone will show you.
Her mother answered.
See my new shoes?
Ivy said. I see, said her father. I see. Calm down. As the vacation sun cast its last long shadows, things finally did calm down. Miss Bell turned off the lights. Mr. Masters ate macaroni with his family. Mr. Handy watched the news with Mrs. Handy. Miss Wheeler soaked. Ivy Green put on her pajamas.
What do you do when Miss Wheeler picks me up?
Ivy asked.
Wave and wave.
Her mother answered.
And what will you be doing while I find Miss Bell's room?
Imagining you with your friends, her father said. Ivy imagined Miss Bell's room. At the brick building on the hill, Miss Bell's room waited. Shy moon shadows crisscrossed polished floors. Name tags covered the table by the door. Christy, Brian, Tyrone, Tom, Ned, Jody, Leah, Ivy. Ivy was fast asleep. All over town it was bedtime. Miss Bell pulled on her nightgown. Mr. Masters flossed. Mr. Handy set the clock. Miss Wheeler snored. Then, as sure as autumn leaves fly, wild dreams drifted and billowed. Ivy's hurry-scurry dream. Miss Wheeler's missed-to-stop dream. Ivy's no-lunch dream. Mr. Handy's not-mopped-in-time dream. Miss Bell's name's gone dream. Mr. Master's pajamas on dream. Ivy's witch door dream. But with the wink of dawn, even the wildest dreams are gone. Now the sun beams through the trees. It shines on Miss Bell's alphabet letters. Wakes up Mr. Master's baby. Glitters in Mr. Handy's coffee. Makes Miss Wheeler's cat restless. And floods Ivy's bedroom when her mother snaps up the shade.
It's time.
Time to get dressed. Be at the stop. Time for Miss Wheeler to drive. Time for Mr. Handy to unlock doors. Time for Mr. Masters to greet. Time for Miss Bell to say,
Good morning, Ivy Green.
and it's time for Ivy to hear stories, share crackers, and feed fish. Time for Ivy to stack blocks, paint pictures, and write her name.
I-V-Y.
Because it's the first day. Hooray! The waiting's done. Ivy's school has finally begun. The end. Thank you so much for following along. If you like this and other read-alongs, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you, and have a pleasant day.